Welcome to the Prysmian Daily News Update. This is your go-to update for the most relevant and impactful news about us and our industry. As of July 1st, today's news sees advancements in sustainable practices within major infrastructure projects, particularly highlighted by Prysmian's innovative use of recycled materials. Prysmian, who is responsible for the manufacturing and the installation of the cables for the Eastern Green Link 2 project, is breaking new ground by delivering the most sustainable solution for the cable conductor through the use of Farga Genius 100% recycled copper, the company said in a statement. Due to the high demand for electricity infrastructure projects, as the world electrifies to deliver on climate action, copper is currently one of the most critical materials across the globe. Given the scale of its recent projects, Prysmian is now the single biggest purchaser of copper in the world. Meanwhile, U.S. manufacturing activity expanded for a sixth straight month in June as a war-driven surge in input costs eased. The Institute for Supply Management's manufacturing gauge fell 0.7 points to 53.3, holding close to a four-year high, according to data released Wednesday. Readings above 50 indicate growth, and the figures point to the longest expansion for the sector since 2022. Turning to other market updates, Europe's solar sector continues to flourish, with solar generation across the European Union poised to set new records this year thanks to rapid capacity additions and favorable weather conditions. However, this boom is challenging power markets by highlighting a disparity between production and demand, particularly during peak generation hours. Meanwhile, Australia's South 32 has agreed to sell the majority of its aluminium portfolio to Alcoa for as much as $5.6 billion, allowing South 32 to focus on its core copper operations. Looking at broader macro trends, the International Energy Agency reports a shift in fossil fuel investment, anticipating U.S. spending on coal and gas power plants to surpass that of China for the first time in decades. Additionally, renewable energy sources achieved a remarkable milestone in Germany, with renewables accounting for 58% of electricity consumption in the first half of 2026, bolstered by increased outputs from onshore and offshore wind energy. From the international front, U.S. and Iranian officials are engaged in technical discussions aimed at reopening the Strait of Hormuz and establishing a permanent ceasefire amidst ongoing tensions and military actions over Iran's nuclear program. Thanks for tuning in. See you soon.